Okay, so this is a research memo. Memos are a big thing in grounded theory. I don't want to say all of qualitative research, but they're definitely a thing in grounded theory. So grounded theory is one approach to doing qualitative research, which is where you build your theory from the ground up. You're very much grounding your theory in the data, in the empirical data. And as part of that process, as you collect data, you write memos. Researchers write memos to capture early reflections, comment on things that they've noticed in the data. So you write memos to continually integrate the reflection in the research as you collect data. And since I'm very much in the midst of the ethnographic portion of this research, instead of writing the memos, I was gonna film them, which sounds really fun, and potentially maybe I can leverage some of this collective intelligence of the internet, and maybe people have things that they want to say or comment about this. So I encourage you to comment on this if you think this is interesting or you have insights that you want to add. And so today I wanted to share one insight I've had, or rather one emerging idea that I've had based on the first round of interviews that I've conducted last fall with scientists on how they use large language models in their research, specifically in helping them finding relevant literature, generating literature reviews, citing articles, reading them, annotating them, etc. And this morning, I started the second round of these interviews with a much more targeted segment of users, because they all have in common that they use this one open source tool for finding scientific articles and generating literature reviews. These scientists are not like the other scientists I've talked to in that they are power users. The difference between a regular AI user and a power user is that power users are able to experiment with a lot of different AI tools and link them. They're able to link them in coherent tool chains or coherent workflows. And that's really what differentiated the two scientists I talked to this morning. And they just had such sophisticated and well formalized workflows that it made their take on the tools so different from the people I talked to in the fall. So this is just a reflection I wanted to share, and I'm gonna keep building on it.